As you know, soil mass of soil consists three components: solids plus voids. Within voids, we can expect either air or water. Sometimes both will present, sometimes only air. Okay, anyhow, only water. Now the thing is, whenever you apply load on soil, that means compressive load on soil, what we can expect, there will be a reduction in volume of soil. Reduction in volume of soil. So somebody can ask me, what could happen when I apply load on soil? So the thing is, there is a reduction in volume of soil, delta V. Reduction in volume of the soil mass. Reduction in the... Now, if you see, if the air is escaping from the soil, when you apply load on soil, this discussion we have already covered. This is nothing but compaction. Consolidation is nothing but expulsion of water from soil mass. Squeezing out of. The right word is squeezing out of water. Squeezing out of water from soil mass, from a given mass of soil. So nothing but consolidation. Now, so without any delay, let us discuss. So now somebody can ask me, what is consolidation? Just now we discussed, it is nothing but squeezing out of water from soil mass. Now somebody can ask me, what is compaction? Compaction is nothing but expulsion of air from soil mass. So compaction, as we all know, compaction is a mechanical process, and also we can ensure compaction within short period of time. We can ensure soil compaction within short period of time, whereas squeezing out of water from soil mass takes very long time. Sometimes I can't say it happen within minutes and days. Sometimes it takes months, years also. That's why consolidation is a long-term process. Consolidation is for your kind understanding, I will write here, consolidation is a long-term process. Long-term. It won't happen within day. It's a long-term process. That means what I would like to tell you, it is a slow process. So now at the end, once air and water is expelling from the soil mass, we can expect a reduction in volume. Reduction in volume is nothing but, can anyone say, compressibility. It's nothing but compressibility of soil.